Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. And one last time, you already know, volume down plus volume key, and that's how it's done. So you can find your screenshots in gallery in the folder called screenshots, basically. And from here you can share, edit, delete, like automatically correct your screenshots, and also like use as or check their info. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.